Hey out there, you YouTube, this is People14. We're going to do a Wii Remote drop test. As you can see here, we have a fully functional Wii Remote. Now just for a start, now I'm going to drop it from ceiling height. In 3, 2, 1. We'll see how it's held up. The Wii remote's still on. See if the mouse still clicks. Yep. Wii remote's fine. Let's try this. Now, here we are, please. Yeah. Here we are. Standing on the bed again. With this fully functional new Wii. Now what I am going to do, just throw it as hard as I can to the floor. Starting now. Okay. Let's see how it held up. Wow, it's still on. It's not tortured enough. Well, I know it's not going to break. Let's try another torture test to full face. Here we are, the Wii remote on the floor. And here we are, and we still wrapped to bed. And this one's very heavy, the exact 3.2 pounds. We are going to whale this at that Wii remote right there, you see. 3, 2, 1. And see if this remote is still on. Okay. Light's still on. See if I can click. Oh, and by the way, it's in this case. I've tried it before and I had the case wet. I just want to do it in case this time. Okay. Here we are. I'm going to do another Wii remote face test. Face test, excuse me. Now, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that didn't sound so more rough. Ooh, my bad. This Wii remote is still functional. Let's stand on it. Faceplate. Let's see if I can even get it shut. And front faceplate shut. Pressure test in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and fine. Still on. Okay. It's functional. Remote. Oh no. Well, it's green. I'm kidding, it's not broken. I hit the scroll button. Here we have it. We have a very functional YouTube video for Wii remote. Now let's do another test. Here we are. I'm holding the Wii remote. In 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to show you a stupid drop. 3, 2, 1. Didn't break it. Yet. If this one doesn't break it, the video will be over. If this one does, we are at luck. This is our only Wii remote. OMG. And guess the video didn't end. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Is it on? Oh. OMG. Please do your remote gently there. This is high. And then, let's jump off the bed. Let's see what happens to the remote. So that's a blue right there. So we can see a fully functional black remote. Okay, sorry YouTubers. I didn't need the camera. 3, 2, 1. see how that wheel remote held up. Well, what do you know? Let's try this next torture test. Here we go. My same bag. Just start hitting it, so I should say. Nice. Here we are, we still have it. The fully functional Nintendo Wii remote. So yeah, we can take a look at the screen with my mouse. Well, let's just test it one more way. Here we are at same Wii remote. Again. Let's try banging it. You just survived incredibly. Yes. If you enjoyed the video, YouTube, this is FIFA 1, 2, 3. I mean 14. That was your video. Bye bye.